The bestseller just got a major glow. This is the 2026 Audi Q5 Sportback. Audi knew they couldn't play it safe anymore with the competition heating up. So for 2026, they've given the Q5 a total ground-up redesign. It's sleeker, it's faster, and the interior finally looks like it belongs in the future. But is the Sportback tax worth it for that coupe-like silhouette? Welcome back to DRX AUTOMOBI. Let's see if this is the new king of the luxury crossovers. Let's talk power. The 2026 model comes standard with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, now pushed to 268 horsepower. That's a nice bump over the previous generation. It's making it punchier than the base BMW X3. Of course, quattro all-wheel drive is standard, paired with a lightning-fast 7-speed Astronic dual-clutch. If you need more, go. The SQ5 Sportback is waiting with a 362 horsepower V6 that will do 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. Plus, for the first time, Audi is including Signature Care. That's 3 years of free maintenance standard on every 2026 model. Inside is where the real magic happens. Audi calls this the digital stage. You're looking at a massive 14.5-inch curved MMI. It's a touchscreen that flows right into an 11.9-inch Virtual Cockpit. Want to keep your passenger entertained? There's an optional 10.9-inch passenger display that lets them stream movies or help with navigation without distracting the driver. And here's the best part. Audi actually listened to us. They brought back the physical scroll wheel on the steering wheel. It's high-tech, but it's actually easy to use while you're driving. Audi is still the king of lighting. The 2026 Sportback features second-gen OLED taillights that can actually display warning symbols to cars behind you. But the coolest trick is the new projection light hidden under the rear spoiler. It projects an extra brake light onto the upper rear window, making you impossible to miss at night. It's a small detail, but it's pure Audi Vorsprung durch Technik. The 2026 Audi Q5 Sportback is the perfect blend of German engineering and futuristic style. It's the smart choice for anyone who wants a luxury SUV that stands out from the crowd. So, would you take this over the new Mercedes GLC Coupe? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. I'm with DRX AUTOMOBI, and I'll see you in the next one.